All right, this is 156 unit number 156 inside Richfield Garden apartment. I'm going to show you the studio in this complex. You have the unit number is 156 R. This one, the white door. I'm gonna go inside and show you what it looks like. Inside this is a courtyard to show you a studio unit here in Richfield Garden apartment. This is a unit. It's unit number 156. As you walk in, you have this huge window for a natural air. You have a radiator for a heat. On your left, you have your bathroom. Inside your living room, you have this huge, actually very big, closet space. This is a view of your living room from this angle. Next, you have your kitchen here. Kitchen has a nice floor. You have a refrigerator, cabinet space. The landlord will put an oven before the tenant moves in. They are going to put a new one. Here on your left, you have your sink, additional cabinet space, and a door to the back. You could just go out to the back. This is the space. Next is your bathroom. You have heat source here. It's a big bathroom actually. You have a window for a for the fresh air. Bathtub shower combo. You have your toilet here. Sink, medicine cabinet. The bathroom actually is very big. As you could see, it's big size bathroom. You could close the door, and this is your living space. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.